Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to install and set up AISaleBot for your Bigcommerce store, from connecting your store to activating the chatbot. First, search for AISaleBot, then click Install to add the application to your store. At this step, you will be prompted to log in to your Bigcommerce account and select your store. After logging in, you will be taken to the app review page where you can see the app details and permissions. Take a moment to review the information carefully. Then click Install. Confirmation screen will appear. Click Confirm to proceed and complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, you will be redirected to the AISaleBot dashboard. In the basic plan, you can access analytics, sync your products, upload training materials, view chat history, and adjust your chatbot's model, persona, and guidelines in the Settings tab. Additional advanced features are available in higher-tier plans. In the Customize section, you can change the chatbot name, greeting message, communication style, and appearance. Adjust these settings to match your brand and the way your business communicates with customers. Before turning on the chatbot, make sure you have added all the necessary information you want it to learn, so it can provide complete and accurate answers to your customers. Next, open the Sources tab. This is where you can manage the information that AISaleBot uses to answer customer questions. Please provide the information here. Go to Settings to adjust how the chatbot responds based on your needs. In the Setup Guidelines section, you can choose the model, define the persona, and customize tone, style, and response behavior to match your desired communication style. You can also use our pre-built persona guideline templates and modify them to better fit your specific needs. After customizing the chatbot interface, uploading all necessary training materials, and carefully setting up the model persona and behavioral guidelines, return to the Customize tab. Once everything looks correct, activate the chatbot. At this point, the chatbot will be successfully deployed, appear on your store interface, and be fully ready to interact with visitors. AISaleBot also provides advanced features for managing customer support across multiple channels. In the Integration section, you can connect WhatsApp, Slack, Telegram, and Facebook. Once connected, AISaleBot can automatically respond to customer messages using your existing product and business information. Facebook integration also supports automatic replies to page comments and private messages. Human Handoff allows your team to take over when a customer needs direct assistance. You can configure the handoff trigger, such as when a customer asks to speak with a staff member. You can also set your team's operating hours and customize the message shown when the conversation is transferred, such as, "Our support team will assist you shortly." After completing the setup, click Save. Transferred conversations will appear in the Handoff section. Click Switch to Human to let your team respond directly, and click Switch to Bot when you want AISaleBot to resume automatic replies. With AISaleBot, you can combine automated support with human assistance across multiple channels. Thank you for watching.